How to connect a Google form to your Wix website quickly and easily. This is a great way to collect feedback, sign-ups, or survey responses directly from your website. First, go to your Wix website editor and open the page where you want to add your Google form. On the left-hand side, click Add Elements. Then scroll down and select Embed Code. After that, click Embed HTML. You'll see a box appear on your page. This is where you'll paste your Google form code. Next, open your Google form, click the Send button at the top right, then choose the Embed icon, the one that looks like it. Copy the entire Embed HTML code provided by Google Forms. Now go back to your Wix editor, paste that code into the HTML box, and click Apply. Your Google form will appear right on your Wix page. You can resize or reposition it however you like to make it fit perfectly with your website's layout. And that's it. You've successfully connected a Google form to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tips. Thanks for watching.